What's going on, y'all? I'm gonna do this this unboxing sneaker video today. Normally, you know, I just post a little 60-second jumps with some music in the background showing the sneaker, but I'm gonna go ahead and try this way. We got the Nike Adapt BB, you know, the new basketball shoe that came out All-Star weekend. All the guys getting the, you know, the rechargeable jump. So let me go ahead and peel this jump back. This is a huge box, man. This jump look like a, my son asked me was it a speaker or a PlayStation. But let me figure out how to open this jump. Alright. It's one of these tabs on each side. Nice boxing though. Alright, so it's two sections of the box. I'm gonna just go ahead and get right to the shoe, but this section is the charger for the shoe, and go ahead and see what this shoe look like. Oh, so this junk is real sweet. You know, let me get this junk. So it's real nice. So these are the two buttons on the side that, you know, if you don't have the app, you know, open on your phone, you can control how tight and how loose you do the shoe with these two buttons on the side. Also, you know, these two buttons, you know, you could customize it in your app so it changes colors, you know, red, purple, blue, whatever you want. But the shoe jive vicious though. I like this jump. And right here, at this section of the shoe, this is where the automatic laces are in the shoe. And bam, got it from the good people at StockX. They came through for your boy. We got, let me see. Okay, got the Nike shoe shield in there. And I'm not sure if you can see, but this is what the inside of the shoe looks like. You know, that's an L for left, and the other one got the R because that's how it is on the app. You know, when you download the app on your phone, you swipe the L up to make the left shoe tighter, or vice versa, the R to make the right shoe tighter. Now, this is the charging plate that comes with the shoe. You sit your shoes on this plate and charge it, and then I think one charge is good for 14 days. So, you know, more or less you charge your shoes every 2 weeks. And I don't know if they gave your boy some gummies or what. We're about to figure this out. Feels like the end piece to the charger though. Let's see. Yeah, exactly. It's the end piece to the charging plate. And, you know, got the Nike Adapt BB book telling you about how to charge the shoes and how to power up, personalize it, stuff like that. This, I mean, it's real creative. Reflective lacing. It's cool. Everybody was going crazy over these jumps, so had to make sure your boy got these jumps, because I'm not gonna be the only one out there without them. This is the bottom of the shoe. It's real fire. Like these, you know, give you a real good look at the shoe. They got the plastic around this joint like it's a TV. Okay, so now I'm about to hit the app store. What Jones say? Get the Nike Adapt app. Boom. See that, get that joint right there. Get that joint. Wait for that joint to download. All right, so I already downloaded the Nike Adapt app, and the app job like fire as soon as you open that jump. It shows you all the different stages that the shoe go through. Boom. So let's get started. Continuous Michael. That's me, your boy. Hello, Michael. Boom. Next. Place your phone near the buttons of your left shoe to connect. Okay. That is the left shoe.
What's gonna happen?
We about
Fly?
we about to find out what's about to happen.
I'm just turning into a Aladdin blanket.
Doing what the Jones say. This joint ain't working.
Send it back.
Boy. You know, made me interrupt the progress of the syncing the shoe up, yo.
That shit ain't singing. It's a dove.
Let me see what's going on with this. All right, y'all. So I'm about to do the on foot try. Let me see these Jones. Oh, these. Oh. Let me see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hold on. Oh. Shit, I'm about to give your boy Chris Brown a run for his money now. I'm gonna dance in these jumps. Let me see, hold on, let me loosen it up a little bit. Alright, when it's this loose, I'm gonna dance like a Marion. But when it's as tight as it go, oh hell no, them niggas want me to dance like they want me to dance like Blueface now.
They automatically move?
Nah, I guess it's, I don't know. Gotta read the book. Anyway, this how that joint look on foot. These joints is really fire though. Like, they fit and feel so good, yo. So good. Like, these joints is really fire. And you can hear the noise of the motor when I'm about to loosen it up. So the automatic laces is right here. These joints is really fire. Nike did a good job. The price was, I ain't complaining about the price. I'm pretty sure it's a lot of people, oh, that's too much money, that's too much money. So what? If you like something, go get it. It don't matter how much it costs.
Alright, well, how much were these Jones?
How much was these Jones?
Yeah, how much were these Jones?
Oh man, I got these Jones from, damn, where I get these Jones from? I can't remember. Oh yeah, I got
your mom?
She trying to burn me, yeah. But nah, for real, this shoe is fire.